why I folded it up.
You what?
I did fold it up to try and keep it dry.
So did I. That's soaked now. I can't sell that anymore. I think Amy's selling top there.
Underwear?
Top. So I see her on the half. She's always got a better
Hangers rolling there. For Ipswich for a while, also rode with King Flynn. A few years back down the line, number 388, Emerson Fairweather with the indicators going. A green car there, Rover. MG making its way down the track behind the duck. 433, Ben is back with us once again. We're all good. 994-861-61, Danny Coleman, a former track champion here at Yarmouth. 26 cars on track. 787 brings up the rear of the field there. That is Andy Wyatt as they go through. Now the driver's keen to get going. This is the bit of the race where you can get a few butterflies in the belly, but once the race gets going, forget about all that. Blue flag and away they go. Talking about driving. Across the line they go. And there's someone down there as the cars go through. Onto the back straight they go. This is the Flamingo. Just the one car that's found the fence, unfortunately, down there. Okay, so watching it plane. Up and over the grass. Find our forward. More action there on turn number 3. Oh, the duck's gone in. A ton of bricks there into the fence. There's speed in smoke. The duck has nearly fallen off the roof. Crikey. That's down on the case to there. But leading the way is the Flamingo. Crossing the line now. 019. 741 in second. 336 has got going again, but it'll be a lap down. Back marker. Can't spin off on the back straight. 369 is one of those. On for the back straight they go. Fishman CC 090. She's whacked into the top there. Three duck and he's lost his lead. It's all gone. There you go. There's the luck of the Bangarang for you. 019 looking to get back into the race. We've got a new leader now as they race down the far side. There's more contact. There's more action down the back straight. Cars going left, right and centre. More trouble ahead as they come round. 388 Emerson Fairweather going well. He's in the lead. So 61 in second. 388 he's in back second. Sorry, watching. 741 in third. Come over the line. So 388, Emerson Fairweather crosses the line. Oh, and the lead has changed again. So as they head down the far side, the leader is 741. That's the white car with the green roof. 741, that's up to the third. 5 laps to go. Next time by Ross Chance is your leader, 741. Goes down into the turn, got pushed sideways by Emerson Fairweather. I think he'll get shoved and spun around. It's all changed again on the back straight. That's Kevin Lane is the back marker. I think he's one lap down, so it looks like Danny Coleman's coming through to take it up. In car number 61. 61, your leader. As the cars cross over the line, 99 and 741. Second and third. Off they go down into the pit bend. Trying to find some grip. Very wet track tonight. 61. Danny Coleman goes over the line. Second, 741. 741 moved up again. 99 is first. The 99 car of Terry Hall. All the stuff then. 61. Danny Coleman crosses the line again. One of the Classification 741 car. Second place. Onto the far side, all right. Somebody's got the smoke and the top of the wheel. Oh, here. 61. Danny Cole, your leader, 741. Second place. Ross Chubb, 99 in third place. Joe Mancini, or rather two of 99 down there. Around a third back place by the car. Emerson Fairweather still going, striking round the racetrack in cars all out shape. The wheels are at all eight. He's been knocked out of shape there. And Emerson goes spinning around again at the end of the straight down there at turn number 1. Checker flag is out and down. The race has been run. 99 spun. Terry Horber 861 in the closing stages. Here comes Pitchman Sydney, the 019 car.
He didn't even make it to the checkered flag.
As he goes over
Head
the
off.
line, Todd Payne, the driver, 149. Keep the cars coming through. A red flag, please.